If you are making a travel or destination promo video, consider using drone footage. And this is especially for people who are working for the tourism board or travel agencies. If you want to make videos that are really captivating, that get the interest and get the attention of the tourist who's hoping to go to these new locations, combine ground shots with aerial views, and you're going to have some real dynamic footage that people really enjoy. Plus, it's going to give people a lot of context and give them a new perspective. If you can show them a perspective that they may not see on the ground, it just might push the needle forward for them and make them make a decision to go with you. So that's something to consider. Also, as a side point, if you are making that, remember that audio is 50% of the production, and don't skimp on the music. Find some good music and incorporate that if you can. Or obviously, great explanations are great too. People love those. People love all that kind of stuff. So if you need some stock footage of Louisiana or New Orleans, go to www.400grand.com, and you'll see links in there to see stuff you can buy and free stuff that you can just download. So thank you for your time, and I hope you make some great videos out there.